Welcome to next topic with the CSS, and this is the second topic of this series, complete web development course. We completed HTML basic course, and now this is the second chapter of this series, which is CSS. And in this video I will just give you an introduction, and from the next video we will start the practical CSS with the editor. Okay, so first of all I will give you introduction of this course, and this course is for absolute beginners who don't know about CSS, or for the programmers who want to refresh their skills with the basics of CSS. And this is the second chapter of web development course. We have completed HTML and now this is CSS, and CSS have lots of different styling. CSS got the huge amount of codes. There are 100 ways of doing a simple task. So if there is a one task of coloring, you can do that task with the 10 different ways. And advanced things will not be covered in this lecture because this belongs to basics. But yes, I will complete that flag box and animations like CSS 3 things in the next series. And we will cover all the basic and important things related to CSS which are necessary to develop a website. Okay, so what is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet, and CSS used for website layouts and designing, as we have used HTML in our previous lectures without styling. So with the help of CSS we will do the same task but with the styling. And if you have not completed the HTML and if you don't know about the HTML, so I will suggest you please go back, complete my HTML course and then come here, because without HTML you will not understand the CSS. And it's also again not a programming language, so this is a styling language. And if you want to apply a condition and loops with this language, so this can be extended with SAS or less. But again, those are very advanced topic and I will not cover in this series. But yeah, for sure I will make on videos on SAS and less. And the next thing is CSS language that describe the style of an HTML document. And when we save the HTML document, we saved it with the .html extension, and this file will be saved with the .css extension. So install your core editor, and from the next lecture we will practically do CSS. So this is the example of CSS, a simple example. The color of the home page header is green, style sheet 1 is green, and the text is centralized italic, and sidebars is blue, SI tag, footer you can see it's gray. So these are styling is done with the help of CSS. So I will teach you each and every that is related to CSS and the important things that are necessary to learn for a web development with the CSS. So let's start with the CSS.